Start with the name of Allah, who's the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Learn. Friends, today we learned that how to collage and how you can do your storage in a lace. Because many person have this issue that we take the in any event pictures, so the pictures are too much. How we will save our pictures? We have to delete because when we take the too much, the storage is too full. So friends, you have to only install the only one application by which you can do the many things. First of all, you have to go to Play Store. Then you have to write here Photo Collage Latest. This is already installed in my cell phone, so I will open this. You have to install this. This is the latest version. It's updated on this updation. You can see here 9 January 2019. It's updated. So we will open this. Here are the many benefits: collage, scrapbook, camera, single editor, right? And if you want to face camera and anything, you can click here and directly you can go to the Play Store. You don't need to search any camera and anything. So friend, buy the pictures. We can do many things. Camera, you can take picture at the time and you can make them, okay? And collage, you have to select the collage pictures. This is already collage. At the one time you can take 15 maximums. Okay, I selected this. Then next, there is the layout. You can see layouts, background, as well as you can take the picture for background. You can change the background, space, you can do this, size you can do, and corner easily you can do. Here is the screen size 1.1, 2.1. You can see this. Whatever you want to take, you can take easily. Text, fill color, text style, many things are here. You can use this. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to save this. Now it's saving. Okay, then single editor is also here. You can take any picture, then you can do the editor. You can blur, whatever you want to do, you can do this in a flower style. Butterfly, blurring you can do. Here are the backgrounds. It will be saved. If I will do the OK, then it will be saved. So I will do no. Then go back again. And scrapbook also. Do the next. Many things you can do. You can take the picture at the one time, and you can take the picture at the time you want to make the pictures, and etc. Friend, if you don't like and subscribe my channel, like and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching video.